Need to keep going. There's something about these flowers. Feels like my magic's work. I've got the plans and the Sousa bark. Now I need someone to craft it all.
Rest about now.
The forge at the blacksmith's house should do. Quickly then. There's no time to waste. Sickle or a dagger?
Furnace awaits an offering. A candy-sweet scent wafts forth. The Sousa bark infuses the weapon from within the flames. The flames sputter away. The sword is complete.